Ever feel like your finances are on display? Like someone's constantly peeking over your shoulder, judging your every latte purchase? Well, when it comes to budgeting apps, that feeling might not be entirely off the mark. Today, we're tackling a question that's been swirling around the internet. Does pocketguard sell your data? We all know pocketguard's the budgeting app that boasts about simplifying your finances. It tracks your spending, analyzes bills, and even helps you find ways to save money. But to do all that good stuff, it needs some pretty personal information, your bank accounts, spending habits, the whole shebang. So, is this information safe? Or are you unknowingly handing over your financial keys? Let's crack open pocketguard's privacy policy and see what lurks beneath. What kind of data does pocketguard collect? First things first, pocketguard collects two main types of data: personal information and financial information. Personal information includes your name, email address, phone number, the usual suspects. Financial information dives a bit deeper, encompassing your bank account details, transaction history, and even the last 4 digits of your social security number if you use their bill negotiation service. Now, hold on a sec. Social security number? That seems a bit intense for a budgeting app, right? Relax. pocketguard assures us they don't actually store this info themselves. It gets passed on to a third-party bill negotiation service you might choose to utilize. But still, it's a good reminder to be extra cautious when linking accounts that hold such sensitive data. Sharing is caring? But not always. Alright, so pocketguard's got its hands on your data. The next question is, who else gets a peek? Here's where things get a little murky. pocketguard does share your information with third-party service providers. These are companies that help them keep the app running smoothly, think data analysis or cloud storage. The good news? pocketguard claims these providers only have access to the information they absolutely need to do their jobs. They also say they never share your financial information with marketing partners, without your express consent, that is. So, does pocketguard sell your data? Here's the plot twist. pocketguard explicitly states in their privacy policy that they don't sell your data. They also highlight your right to opt out of any information sharing at any time. That's a big win for user privacy. But wait, there's more. Remember that anonymous information we mentioned earlier? pocketguard collects anonymized data about your spending habits to improve their services and identify potential fraud. This means they might be able to see trends across users, but they wouldn't be able to pinpoint that, hey, John Doe just spent way too much on pizza this month. The verdict, friend or foe? Look, complete data privacy in today's digital world is a bit of a unicorn. pocketguard collects a lot of information, but they seem to have safeguards in place to protect it. Here's the bottom line. Read the privacy policy. Before you link any financial accounts, take some time to understand pocketguard's data practices. Knowing what information they collect and how they use it is crucial. Be selective about what you share. You don't have to link every single account you own. Start slow, see how comfortable you feel, and adjust your permissions accordingly. Consider alternatives. There are plenty of budgeting apps out there. If pocketguard's data practices make you uneasy, explore other options that might better suit your privacy needs. Remember, your financial data is valuable. Treat it with care. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.